This skate park is the worst thing I've ever seen. I'm just kidding. I've literally never seen the park before. Welcome to San Ramon. We're here with
Chloe,
the world's most
beginner skateboarder.
Professional skateboarder. We're gonna review this San Ramon skate park. I have never been there before. I don't think I've ever even been to San Ramon. I don't even know what a San Ramon is. Do you?
A San Ramon?
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Always.
Why?
Because of the camera.
After you make 5,500 videos, it gets a little lighter.
I know. I'll pretend it's not there.
How many videos have you been in?
I don't know, actually.
Quite a few.
10?
Okay, skate park closed 8 p.m. due to vandalism.
You missed the at. Skateboard closed at 8 p.m.
Notice, this area is under 24-hour video surveillance. Okay, well, so am I. On this camera right here. That sounded bad, kind of, right? But it does feel like I'm, it does feel like I'm under 24 hours surveillance.
Well, so am I.
Because I'm always being filmed. Okay, this park looks hella sick.
It really does. See, this one I would think, this is a really good park, right?
At the beginning, did I say this park was good or bad?
You said it was bad.
Okay, dang
It's the worst
I'm
one.
an idiot. Okay, so you know how this works? Chloe chooses the obstacle, she says what it is, and then she says for me to do a trick, and she chooses the trick.
Yeah.
And then we laugh at her because she doesn't know what it's called. But now she's beginning to learn everything.
That's right.
And nobody's laughing at you, we're laughing with you.
Of course, I'm always laughing.
Hey, this is our third skate park today, no kids. Come to the skate park, guys. Get out of your house, get off the Fortnite, get your skateboard and come skate. Okay, go.
And you don't even have to be a kid though. There's no people. You can be a mom, right?
You can be a mom. Teach your mom to skate.
That's right. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite one so far.
Why?
Because it's got everything.
Because
And
it's clean, it smells like grass.
That's right.
Go
And
ahead,
it's
I'll
got
let you talk.
flat ground and it's got all this stuff.
Yeah, true.
Okay, and
First try?
it doesn't tickle my feet. Nice. The first one will be this quarter pipe.
Wow, she called it. Please be easy on me, I have a broken foot. I'm coming off an injury.
Okay.
Give me a trick.
So you're gonna drop in.
Period. Thank you. Okay, honestly, this is kind
Dropping
of,
looks crazy.
It does.
it's kind of sketch.
Look at that transition.
Wow, Chloe?
I know, right?
From poser to pro. Wow. Okay, how have we not been to this park? This park is sick.
I know.
So sick. Okay, I dropped in. Is that a trick?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Okay, so now you're gonna go to the bank.
Yeah?
This is a bank.
This right here?
Is that a bank?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think this is so good, we might need to end the video here.
Okay.
Because this is probably the only place I could do an actual trick because I'm broken foot man.
You keep saying that, but you're doing actual tricks.
Am I?
Yes.
It's true, I'm getting those kickflips back in, locked and loaded.
Okay, so let's see here. I guess let's go to the bowl, yeah?
Wow. Okay, this is our third skate park today. When we started, she didn't know what anything meant. Now she's like, quarter pipe, bowl, bank. Tony Hawk Pro Skater, shout out. Okay, to the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, this is a really good bowl, I ain't gonna lie.
It looks so fun. If only I could do stuff.
Yeah, we gotta get you skating more.
Yeah. Okay, so you are gonna roll around.
Yes?
And then you're going to, you're gonna nose slide.
Okay, roll around and then nose slide.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try that. It's been a long time since I've done a nose slide on a bowl. Roll around. Sheesh! Kind of, right?
Not quite.
What? Why?
Because you're not sliding. Do people not do that?
I fully expected that to count, and then she said, not quite, you're not sliding. She's correct. But Chloe, maybe you forgot, I suck at skateboarding. I'm the world's worst professional skateboarder.
You are ridiculous. You can do this.
Yeah, I don't know though.
I think you can.
Slide it?
Yeah, if you go like this and go get some speed.
With a lot of
Yeah. See, that was a slight slide, so that would count if you landed it.
The problem is I suck at transitions so bad that I'm just being a wussy.
What would you say if I said that to you? That I suck at it so bad?
What would you say if I said that to you? Oh, you lost me.
Okay, what would you tell me if I told you I suck at that?
I'd be like, no, you don't.
Exactly.
You can do it. You can do anything. Never give up. Wow. Wow. Ah! Maybe I need to go to fakie.
That was it.
Should I keep going?
Yeah, that was it. Honestly, you moved about ½ an inch. I think it counts.
You think so?
Yeah.
So now I have to land it or just count that?
Yeah, no, you have to land it.
Dang it.
For your own pride.
See, the problem is, Chloe, I don't have any pride left. 5 months off of the skateboard, broken foot, no pride. Pride all gone. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm actually joking. I got pride. Yee!
There it was.
Did we count that?
It was, you moved a centimeter.
Okay, whatever. I'll take it. Ouch! Wow, I'm dizzy now. I just went around in circles
Are
a
you?
lot. Yeah.
Okay.
Give me another obstacle.
Okay, you take this.
Yeah, what's this called?
This would be a Manny Pad.
Okay, it was funny when you didn't know the names of everything. Now I just look like an asshole. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Okay, so you could probably manual this whole thing.
First try.
First try.
What do you give me?
Jamba Juice.
Okay, I'm down. It's all about a good ollie in. Jamba. The Jamba's in sight. The Jamba's in sight. My foot hurts. Oh, for the Jamba. First try. Okay, this is the best skate park I've been to in a minute. In a hot minute.
Right? It's so good.
Yeah,
I can't
so
believe
good.
there's no people here.
Well, usually it's good because there's people. You know, I keep wanting to do a worst sport at the park. It's awfully hard to do a worst sport at the park when there's no skaters. What happened to skateboarding? 2020 blew skateboarding up and then crazy supply and demand and then just went away.
I know, it was so sad.
So weird. Okay, new obstacle, new trick.
Okay, so now we go to the rail and
Yeah.
you're gonna board slide the rail.
Okay. Sheesh, my guy. Okay, so in one video I said, am I too old to sheesh? Is my favorite comment of all time. I brought it up like 12 times. And then somebody in the comments said, we're all too old to sheesh, my guy. Tell me I shouldn't make that a t-shirt. We're all too old to sheesh, my guy.
So good. Look at that drone up there though.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The part of you just want to throw a rock at that?
No.
Stop surveillancing me, government. Just kidding. Wow. Does that count?
Absolutely.
Okay, we'll take it.
I'm just so excited I'm learning the names of things.
I'm so excited I can skate. It's been a long road. We've been coming to skate parks and I haven't been able to skate. Okay, next obstacle.
Now I would like you to ollie up that Manny Pad,
Yeah.
roll over here, ollie up this one.
Ollie up that one and then this one?
Yeah, like back to back.
I have to do it in a line?
Yeah,
Okay, but real, let's be real. What's this called?
a Manny Pad.
Don't lie to me now.
Manny Pad, right?
Okay, well, what's this right here?
A nose slide.
No,
What do you mean?
the obstacle, not the board thing.
What's the obstacle? The coping?
Okay, we're gonna call this a ledge.
God.
Go ahead, say it.
Okay, but why though?
Because it's a ledge!
A ledge and not a Manny Pad?
It could be either. Could be either.
Okay.
Yee! First try.
Nice.
Okay, that was too easy.
Okay, but why, can you please?
Explain to you?
Yeah, how is that? That literally looks exactly like a Manny Pad.
It is, but like this, like the main point of this obstacle and where it's located, like let's say this was put back a little bit and the cement right here wasn't there, then you only really have the edge. So the edge is a ledge. Ledge meant for grinds and slides, you know, whatever.
That's why this is all scratched up.
Scratched up, waxed on the side.
Okay.
But we're gonna give that to you because it's it's good. Wow, Chloe, I did a grind.
So good. So a grind is when it's like half the board like this.
Anything on the trucks is a grind.
Anything on the trucks is a grind. Okay.
Anything on the board is a...
Board slide.
I mean, it could be no slide, tail slide, but a
Right.
slide. Slide, grind.
Oh my gosh, it's finally making sense.
Yes. Wow!
Wow, so good.
It's like that time I took my mom to Burnside.
So what is Burnside?
So Burnside is like the gnarliest skate park ever.
Uh-huh.
It's like made by skaters. It's like you like chug a beer and then like do a 540 like kind of place. You know?
I see.
And it's really hardcore.
Yeah.
So I'm in there skating and my mom is in the parking lot and she yells down. I forget what she said exactly, but something along the lines of like, "Honey, do you want a juice box?" And here I am with all these hardcore skaters. I'm like, anybody know the old lady in the parking lot? Me neither. Skate it up, bros.
What a juice box. It's so cute.
It's not freaking cute.
That's so
Most
cute.
canon event, traumatizing event of my life.
Okay, now this one I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna be dead honest with you. Me neither.
Really?
I don't know what it is.
Okay.
What do you call it? It's a bank, but it's not. It's like a transition bank.
Transition bank.
I actually have no idea.
To ledge.
I also have no idea what to do on it either, so I'm just gonna give it a carve, I guess. We keep forgetting to rate the obstacle. Okay, I'm rating this 0 out of 10.
Really? Because you don't know what to do on it.
Everything else in here so far,
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10, because she said 10.
Okay, so let's go to that little thing.
Where?
Actually, no, this thing right here.
Okay, walk over there and show me.
Okay.
It's so nice to be able to be out in the sun on this nice, beautiful day with all the kids skating in the park, having fun. You know, skateboarding is a healthy activity. Do people just not do healthy activities anymore?
I guess
Like, what are they
not.
doing? Fortnite, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter too? Wow. If you name what this is,
$10,000?
no, I won't go that far. But I'll cash up you 10 bucks.
I'm pretty sure you owe me 10 bucks.
Name
so-
this obstacle,
What?
and I'll owe you 20.
Is this one that we named at an earlier spot?
That is a question I won't answer for the sake of my $10.
Okay, so I think it is. I think it's the one where you said this section is called
We're waiting for your answer, Chloe. I like skate park trivia for 500, Alex.
Okay, gosh, I don't remember. Give me one hint.
No hints. There's 10 freaking dollars on the line here.
Okay, one hint and you can cut it in half.
They also made a wheel company.
Oh, I knew it was the thing that we went over.
It's called the freaking Hubba.
Oh,
Hubba.
that's
Hubba
right.
Hideout.
Hubba
Hubba Hideout in San Francisco. Most famous spot. I'm gonna show you the spot and then you're gonna understand.
I'll never remember. Or I'll
Okay,
never forget.
I'm thinking I could drop in on this, but I'm deadly scared because of my foot. Should I do it?
Yeah.
You know what they say in Compton? YOLO. Ow!
You did it!
Woo! What do we call this?
Stairs.
What do you call this?
A ledge.
Yeah, good. You're getting it now. You aced it. You're a skateboard professional.
I know. Except for I'm mall grabbing, but I don't care because it's the most comfortable way to hold the board.
Chloe watches these like shorts where the person's like, what a real skateboard, like what we really mean. And then it's like mall grab. And then what it really means, the most comfortable way to hold your skateboard.
That's
And
right.
she just thinks it's the most hilarious thing she's ever seen.
It's true, because it is. So why not hold it the best way?
It's true.
I'm just bringing it back is all.
Bring it back. Okay, what's this?
That's called a triangle.
Okay, what should I do on it?
Wait, is it really?
No.
I made that up.
I don't know. It's called a quarter pipe.
Okay, so you're gonna go to the, this is really intense.
Yeah, I ain't doing nothing on this. Let's be real.
Let's just go over the hip. Just ollie over the hip.
Freaking hey!
There you go.
Do we count that?
Yeah.
We
what
count
do
that
you
garbage?
mean? Why?
Okay, we'll count
If
it.
I did that, would you count it?
Yeah, actually, yeah, you skate this video.
No,
Just
I'm
roll up a little bit.
I'm
Actually,
just
here,
saying.
here, this is the best place. This is
What?
beginner friendly. Just roll like this, roll around, and just roll up this bank, just the ever so slightest. Bend your knees. Yes. Good. You made it.
I did it.
Now, you're gonna call out tricks and I'm gonna do them on the bank.
Okay. I feel like I only know the names of like 5 tricks.
Well, perfect, because I can only do about 3 right now. Okay, give me tricks.
A hard flip.
No, start out easy.
I don't remember what.
You literally started out with hard flip. I could barely kickflip right now. Okay, I'm gonna warm up then. We're gonna do a 180. I love a very mellow bank like this, so fun. Kickflip.
There you go.
Sheesh. Pop shove. Oh yeah, boy. Front shove, should we? Do we
Yeah.
dare? Front shove, first try. Wow! That was terrifying. Tray flip, first try. Varial flip, varial flip. Ouch! That legit hurt. Maybe good for the scar tissue though, right?
That's great.
Dang, that actually did hurt. What are we gonna do? No comply. Oh, I know, strawberry milkshake. Chloe, why'd you give me the tricks?
Because I don't remember the names of anything.
What's this called?
Strawberry milkshake.
Pass. That was a pretty good one too.
Do the, what's the other one? The hospital flip.
What?
Do a hospital flip.
Oh, I don't think I can right now.
Oh.
Too much of a wussy. Hard flip? I mean, the varial flip almost took me out.
What's a 360 flip?
360 flip? Okay, let's try. Scared? I'm not scared. Ain't scared. Should I just go for it? Like, you only live once, style?
You landed the varial in 1 try.
Landed the varial in 1 try.
You're telling me you can't do the tray in 3?
3?
I'm saying you can though.
Okay, and I'm saying I can't. Just kidding.
Wow.
First try! What time is it?
Wow, that was clean.
Not again. Actually, end on your good luck, Aaron. You know what? Hey, Ron, end on your good luck. End when you're ahead.
Awesome, you killed it.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had an absolute blast skating here, and we hope you, yes you, are getting out, having an absolute blast, and learning how to ride a skateboard. Get everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.